Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Al from the Palestinian schools in Doha, Qatar. Today I will explain to you Unit 17 Grammar for Grade 7. Let's get started. Our grammar lesson today will be the use of may and might. Introduction. This weekend I may take my children on a picnic. I might go to a restaurant with my wife. And you, my students, think of what you might do at the evening or at the weekend. Who can tell me what he may or might do? Very good ideas. Thank you very much. Exercise 1, page 60. Read and answer the questions. It may rain. It might rain, but it might not. We don't know. Again, my students. It may rain. It might rain, but it might not. We don't know. Question number 1. Are Majid and Imad sure it will rain? What do you think, my students? Are they really sure? Are they sure it won't rain or it will not rain? What do you think? No, they are not. Very good. They are not sure. They mean it probably rain, it perhaps rain, but they are not sure. Question number 2. Which is the correct sentence? Here we have two sentences. The first one, it may be sunny tomorrow. Again, it may be sunny tomorrow. The second question, it be may sunny tomorrow. What do you think? Which one has the correct construction? Very good, students. Sentence A. It may be sunny tomorrow. This is the correct construction. Okay, my students. As you noticed, may and might are used when we are not sure. We use may and might when we are not sure. But something is possible. It may rain, they may come, we may leave earlier, we are not sure. Notice, my students, also that these verbs are used before the verb in the sentences. May and might, those verbs are used before the main verbs in the sentences. As you saw here, it may rain. May came before the main verb. The main verb is rain. And the other example also, it might rain. Look, it might rain. Is it clear, my students? Thank you. Exercise 2, page 60. Put the words in the correct order to make sentences. Here you have 6 sentences, but the words are not organized. They are not in the correct order. But before we start, don't forget to put may and might before the verb. Always may and might before the main verb. Okay, let's read the words. Number 1, might, picnic, we, have. 2, tomorrow, may, windy, be it. 3, today, they not arrive, may. 4, lesson, might you, the miss. 5, I not eat tonight, might want to. 6, with come us may he not. Okay, my students, I'll give you some time so that you can think and write the words in the correct order. Done, my students? Okay, let's take them one by one. The first sentence. We might have a picnic. Very good, students. The answer is correct. Number 2. Very good. It may be windy tomorrow. The third sentence. They may not arrive tomorrow. Very good. You might miss the lesson. Excellent. 5. I might not want to eat tonight. 6. He may not come with us. Excellent student, thank you very much. Exercise 3, page 60. Rewrite the sentences. Use the words in brackets. Here you have 5 sentences. At the end of each sentence you have some words or a word between the brackets. You need to rewrite the sentences giving the same meaning of the original sentence. Look at the given example here. Maybe Fatima isn't feeling well. The new sentence is Fatima may not be feeling well. Both of them have the same meaning, right, my students? Good. Let's take the first one. Perhaps we will have a picnic tomorrow. We have the verb may. What's the new sentence? Think and write it. Very good. We may have a picnic tomorrow. Good. Number 2. It is possible I won't go with you. Here we have might not. What's the new sentence? I might not go with you. Very good. Excellent. 3. Maybe I will come later. Here we have might. Yes, use it. I might come later. Thank you. Right. 4. Perhaps the weather will be bad tomorrow. Here we have may. Yes, think and give me the new sentence. The weather may be bad tomorrow. Excellent students. Next. Perhaps she'll feel better later. Perhaps she'll feel better later. The verb is might. What's the right sentence? What's the correct sentence? She might feel better later. Well done. Thank you very much. Exercise 4, page 60. Listen and check your sentences. Now, my students, after we have finished exercise 3 and we used the words between the brackets in these 5 sentences, now all what we have to do is to listen to the audio to make sure that we did the right job. Let's listen together. Are you ready?
1. We may have a picnic tomorrow. 2. I might not go with you. 3. I might come later. 4. The weather may be bad tomorrow. 5. She might feel better later.
All the answers are true. Thank you very much, my students. And let's move to the next exercise. Exercise 5, page 60. Work in pairs. Talk about your plans for this evening and the weekend. So, my students, it's time to talk. You have to use these sentences in the bubbles so that you can talk about your plans for this evening or for this weekend. Let's read the sentences in the bubbles one by one. What are you going to do this evening? I don't know. I may, etc. Next, what are you doing this weekend? I'm not sure. I might watch, I might go, I might meet, as you think or as you plan. Easy, my students, right? Okay, my students, and finally, let's revise what we have learned. Our lesson today was grammar. It was about the use of may and might. We use may and might to say that things are possible. Things are possible. We are not sure. Things may happen or may not. We just think, we just put possibilities, but we are not sure. Okay? The second point is, in this use, may and might have the same meaning. Both of them have the same meaning. You can use either may or might. Clear? The third point, we put may or might before the main verb. Always they come before the main verb. Clear, my student? Thank you very much. This was the end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson, if Allah will. Thanks for watching and good luck. teacher أحمد الجغيمي.